Hello friends and welcome to Dipansh video time. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple platformer game on Scratch. So first we'll need your own player and your own level. After then making these, put a when flag click go to x0 and y0 for the ground. The next is the player. Make two variables named xville and yville. So then after you're done making this variable, take out the when flag click, go to x -1 to 9 and y -1 to 0, and then take out go to front layer, and then after you take out the go to front layer, you should already know that we have to set these variables to 0 as usual. So set xval to 0 and set yval to 0. After that, take out the forever block with two if checks. This if checks will be checking if we are pressing the key right arrow and the key left arrow. So key right and key left. So if we are touching any of these arrows, then I'm gonna go to variables, and then I'm gonna change xville by 1 for the right arrow and change xville by -1 for the left arrow. So not a command, but duplicate this, change xville by -1 for the left arrow. The next is set xville to a times of xville times 0.89. Then you can just simply change x by xville. So this will just let us move our player. So as you can see, our player can move smoothly. Yay, that's what I wanted. Then the next is another of if, and in this if I'll be checking if I am touching. So if I am touching my second sprite, and if this statement is correct, I am going to change y by 1. Now I'm going to zoom out because this piece of code is going to be really long. Duplicate this two times, duplicate this 2 times again, so not the whole script, but just take out this and put the rest inside the ifs. So you should have a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can take out the last one and then change y by -6 because I had 8 of these and I need only 7. So now I have 7 of these. Change y by -6, and after I change y by -6, I am going to change x by, so a change x by x times, change x by x vel times -1. -1, put this in the if check, and then set xvel to 0. Actually, you won't believe me, but this will create collisions. So as you can see that it stops. So as we have already made collisions, without the change y by yvel. Okay, so change y by yvel, so you can change the xvel to yvel, and then change, oops, like that. But I want a change yvel, so I want to change yvel by -1 below. And then after I change yvel below, as you can see, our player will fall. So change yvel by -1 and our player will fall. But that's not what we want. That we want to stop this when he touches the ground. So duplicate the if touching sprite to the last one, take out the change y by yvel and change every y to x. So change x by, change y by, change yvel, set yvel. Yay! Now we will actually simply have our y collision. So as you can see, actually it does nothing because we don't know what will it do because we haven't added the jumping code. So let's start the jumping. Then I will want a change y by 10. So actually this will just make a player jump forever. But put a -1 for now. And then put an if. This if will be checking if we are touching. So a touching and the key up. So what will be touching and what will be the key up. So if we are touching sprite 2 and key up arrow is pressed, oops, not down, but up arrow is pressed, then we'll just simply set our y val to 15. And then change y by 1. So change y by 1. That. Now, as for final, after all of this long piece of code, I would say, let's test our game. Full screen, and then press the green flag, and our player can jump and move. Woohoo! Now see that you have created your own basic platformer. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more fun videos like this. And until next time, scratch on. Now as we have seen, we have made a basic for my game. And as you can see, I'm having really fun playing this game. And I hope you stay safe and have fun playing this game too. And till next time, bye. Dipansh, be the time.